Hi, every month inside Rebel Piano, my students choose what to learn next. Here are two really different songs. I wonder which one you'd choose. Okay, next month's project song for Rebel Piano. Is it going to be, what would you prefer, Lady Madonna by the Beatles, or Have I Told You Lately That I Love You by Van Morrison? So I'll just do a quick blast of each now. This first one is more driving and rhythmic, great for building that rock and roll left hand. So, Lady Madonna goes something like this. Hang on. Then I made a couple of mistakes there, but you got the gist of it. I'll get it right when I teach it, of course. Now, this next one is completely different. It's much more expressive, it's gentler and simpler, and probably better if you're just getting started with playing the piano. It goes something like this. I'll play it really simply. And so on, so on. It's probably a simpler song to play when you're learning. Lady Madonna. And that left hand octave bass really drives it. And it doesn't really work without it. It needs it. A lot of octaves going on. Whereas, Have I Told You Lately? I know I played it a little bit more, but it's a much simpler song, which you can then expand on. Whereas Lady Madonna is what it is. It's etc. So, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Put your choice number in the comments. And of course, if you like this way of teaching, then there's a link to Rebel Piano in the description too. See you. Bye.